Hello, my sister wanted me to make a pho video, so here it is, at least the beginnings of it. I am making the stock right now for the soup. I have 3 large pieces of pork, bone-in, like pork chops, in here, along with the wing tips from chicken wings. I had parboiled it and then rinsed it in cold water and then put it back into this big pot with slices of daikon. I have ginger right here, and red onion cut in half. You can use yellow or white onion as well. A whole clove of garlic. I just sliced it in half and put it in there. 2 galanga. I use the dry kind because fresh, I don't really have fresh to easily accessibility to the fresh galanga, so I'm using dry galanga. And let's see here, oh, and kaffir lime leaves, and that's all that I have in the pot right now. I'm gonna bring it to a boil and then add more spices in a few minutes. So here are some spices and aromatics that I like to put into my noodle soup. I have salt, Johnny seasoning, rock sugar, cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, cardamom, star anise, cloves, coriander seeds, fennel, mandarin orange peels that I have dried, and lemongrass. And with the salt and sugar, I usually like to do like a 1-to-3 ratio, so 1 tablespoon of salt to 3 tablespoons of sugar. But you can adjust it to your taste, but that's kind of what I like to, my guide, I like to go by. And I'm going to roast some of these spices before I put it in. But here you go. So as you can see, even though I parboiled it, a lot of scum has started to surface, so I like to skim off all this scum so you can have a clear broth. So I skim off all this gunk right here and just throw it away until we get a clear broth. Yuck. But anyways, I'm gonna skim this off and then add my spices. So I added all my spices and my seasoning to the pot already. You see that little foil pack? That's my spice pack. I usually use coffee filter or cheesecloth or something like that, but I don't have that on hand, so tin foil it is. Anyways, I'm gonna let it boil, and I'm gonna cover it and let it boil for about 45 minutes, and then it'll be done. So I don't have any tendon or hard pieces of meat that needs to, braise for a very long time. So I think 45 minutes is a good time for this to boil. But you can go for an hour and a half, whatever you want. But yeah, we'll come back when I'm ready to serve the noodle. So here is my broth for my noodle soup. I wanted to mention that I put in 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. You can use beef bouillon if you want, or vegetable bouillon, but it definitely needed the extra flavor of the bouillon. And here I have my meat sauce that I made. I used ground turkey, about a pound of it, 1 tomato, a handful of cilantro, some garlic, and just some salt, and that's about it. Not too much in here, keeping it simple, but this is gonna go great with the noodles that we're gonna eat. So here's the pork chop that I took out. I think it's called pork chop, I don't know, but here's the bone. It's about 40 minutes later, 45 minutes ish. It's fall off the bone, and I took off the meat here, and I'm just gonna slice it up, and we're gonna just top off our noodles with this.
Snowflakes fall on the evergreens and they cover all the streets. Sing along as we run through all of these white hills, oh so deep. Passing by